This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.
Hi guys, hope you all are great. Welcoming in Axosecurity weekly video ToolNight. In this videos we show how we can install important tools in Linux and Windows system, and I am Axosolaman from Axosecurity, so let's get started.
In this video, I am going to show you how we can install SILENTTRINITY tool in kalilinux. If you need to know more about this tool, just comment and I will make a full video on this tool. All commands are given in the description and GitHub repository, so follow all steps.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.